Hello! In this video, I'll guide you through navigating the stage in Airmeet. Let's dive in. Accessing the stage. While inside the event, click on the Schedule button at the top and select the session you want to access. Next to it, you will find a Go Backstage button. Click on it and land on the backstage. You can also access the non-live stage by clicking on Stage section or simply click on Start Session once ready to go live. Stage navigation controls. Once you're on the live stage, you'll see an arrow icon on the top left, which you can use to exit the backstage and access other areas of the event. Beside it, you'll find a session status like Not Live or Live, the session duration, the session name, number of people in session, and the red Rec button if the session recording is enabled. The Pause Session and End Session buttons is situated on the top right for the same actions. There's also a full screen button to maximize your view. At the bottom left, you'll find the Speaker Chat section. Here, session hosts can chat with co-hosts, speakers, and organizers privately, unseen by attendees. Stage Backstage button. This button, enabled by default, allows the host and co-host to switch between them. Hover over the user profile and either click on Move to Stage or select multiple participants by clicking on the checkboxes and move them to the stage. The same controls apply for moving stage participants back to the backstage. You can keep the active stage participants on the stage and those inactive on the backstage. The stage conversation will be audible to those in backstage. People in backstage can converse with each other, and it will be audible to only those in the backstage. Both stages have an audio control icon to adjust the volume. Sharing screen and PDF. To share your screen, click the Share Screen icon and select it. Choose to share your browser tab, a specific window, or the entire screen. Select your option and click Share. If you're sharing a video, toggle the button on for better performance. To share a PDF, click on it and select a file from your computer, and use the arrow icons to navigate through the pages. Click Preview Slides for a quick preview, and you can also go full screen. PDF and screen share can be shared both the backstage and live stage. Simply click on Show to Stage to share the screen or PDF from the backstage. Other onstage controls. Camera and mic. Enable or disable your camera and mic. Closed captions. Toggle the button to enable closed captions if available. Three-dot icon. Manage co-hosts, adjust audio and video settings, and set up virtual backgrounds. Emoji reaction. Use emojis to support the participants on the stage. Stage layout. Change the stage layout based on the number of participants by clicking on different view options. Video resolution. Adjust the video resolution to match your internet bandwidth by clicking on the arrow next to HD. Facing problems. Click on Help to troubleshoot any issues. Right-hand side RH's navigation. Manage section. Raise hand. If the attendees wants to come to the stage to share their ideas, then they can use the Raise Hand feature and all the requests will be shown on this section. Create call to actions by clicking on it and the button. Select the type. That is the Toast for quick sneak peek, and full screen type for the full screen view. Click on the Continue button and fill in the details such as image, message, select the theme color, and lastly, enter the button text and link. Preview it and save it once satisfied. Use same process to create full screen type CTA. Call to actions can be shown on the live stage. Next is Notifications banner. Create banners to quickly convey and publish a notification during the sessions. Click Show on Stage to show it on stage. Videos. You can view the uploaded videos that you can show on the stage. Branding. If you want to apply or remove the stage backdrop, you can do so from here. Click on Edit from Dashboard to go to the event dashboard from where you can add or delete the stage backdrop images. Waiting screens, as the name suggests, are the screens that you can add in case you are late to start the event and your attendees are waiting. It can be a simple image, GIF, video, etc. Chat section. Use the chat section for messaging with other event participants. You can also share emoji reactions and GIFs in chat. Hover your cursor over someone's chat message if you wish to react to it or reply with your message. The host can also show the message on the stage if required. Other than that, you can click on the three-dot icon and send direct message, remove the message, report if needed, and lastly pin it for all to see. The host and co-hosts can also enable chat's profanity filter for better event experience. Questions and answers section. All the questions asked during the session will be available in this section. As you can see, there's an unanswered question out here. They can be upvoted to support by clicking on the arrow icon. You can also comment on the question. And if you're answering in the comment, mark it as the answer by checking this box before sending it out. This will change the question status as answered. Apart from the hosts and co-hosts, speakers can also answer the question. Questions can also be showed on the screen and answered there by the host and speakers. These questions has to be manually marked as answered. Apart from comments, the host can also enable question moderation toggle on to moderate them and only allow the inspected questions. Host can choose to give moderation power to the speakers as well. People in session. Under it, you can find all the session participants. You can switch between list view and grid view. Hover your cursor over the person's profile to view their profile details or send a direct message. Click on the calendar icon to schedule a one-on-one meeting. Edit meeting name, set up the meeting date, start time, and duration. Note that the meeting date, time, and duration has to be within the event's time frame. Now, you can choose to add more people or just click on Send Request button. The participants has the liberty to accept or decline your invitation. Lastly, click on the three-dot icon to edit the video headline or title of that person, which will be reflected on their profile on stage. Session polls. The host and co-hosts can create session polls and either keep them as draft or publish it. You can create as many polls as needed. Even the session speaker can create polls. Breakout rooms. If you wish to break into multiple rooms for discussions, games, and such other activities, then you can use the breakout rooms. Click on Create New Breakout and choose the way you want to divide the participants. First is Specify Initial Count of Participants per room, in which you can specify the maximum number of participants that each room can accommodate. Second is Upload Participants List and Room Details, where you can upload a CSV file with attendee list and assign a certain breakout room to each of them. You can also enable the flexibility of participants' mobility to the room of their choice by enabling this toggle button or keep it disabled. Add resources. Coming to the Session Resources section, here you will find the uploaded resources. Adding resources or resource links can be done from here as well. Session integrations. Airmeet provides numerous session integration options. You can integrate them as per your need. That's a quick overview of the stage navigation in Airmeet. We hope this helps you manage your events more efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching, and have a great event!